Alright guys, so I have booted up the OS and it's showing me another language. Okay, yes. So okay, so here we are in the OS and it is completely given in another language, probably in Spanish, maybe, I don't know. So yes, here we are in the OS and I'm gonna review it here. So we get the basic KDE desktop here, and let me just check out the system and check out the system details. The fuck. System settings. Okay, here we are. So I'm gonna go to the, okay, so you get a transparency effect here also, that's good. Let me just check out the details. Don't know where are the details. Okay, just leave it, I'm gonna not show it now. So okay, so I'm gonna review this, I'm gonna check it out later on. And yes, you do have a lot of applications here. Let me just show you the applications. In the graphics you get these applications. You get K snapshot as a default screen capture screenshot application here. And let me just quickly jump to internet. So you get Firefox as a default web browser, you get Thunderbird as a default mail client, you get Instant Messenger as copied. I don't know what's this. In the multimedia you get these apps. You have Amarok as a default audio player and Caffeine as a default media player, and sound mixer you have KMix. In the Office you get LibreOffice pre-installed as it is available in Linux OS. And in the system you get these apps. For the disk burning you get K3B, and for the partition editor you get KDE partition editor as default. So you get update manager also pre-installed. In the utilities you get these apps, pretty much the same. And I guess that's it. And here's a file manager. It is the Dolphin file manager here, as you see. And it looks cool. Appearance is pretty much the same. As I said, the KDE desktop has always the same appearance. And I guess that's it. Okay, you have these options here. A small icon in the right hand corner, top right hand corner of the desktop. You have these options, and you can choose any widget if you want. That's your call. So you can edit your shortcuts also. Pretty much the same, everything the same. Let me just check out wallpapers here. I guess there must be some wallpapers. Okay, no worries. I guess that's it. You can check out the OS yourself only. Everything is same. There is not a lot of change. Yes, you do have a cool and awesome animation, as you see. So it is quite cool. If you want, you can try this OS. Okay. You also get a lot of transparency effect also. Okay, you can also install Java if you want. So as I said, you can check out OS yourself only. There's a lot of applications I can show at the moment. So yes, you can check out there are a lot of applications you can try. There's a lot of variety in the app store itself. So I guess that's it. If you want me to review any particular thing, I can do that also in the next video. uh, I guess that's it. So I'm gonna quickly shut this down. So let me just shut this down, leave, turn off the computer. Okay, it is not letting me shut down. Okay, so I guess that's it. I can just simply click this and close this. So I guess that's it. You can check out my next videos if you want. I'll be doing a lot of reviews this week or maybe this month, next month, sorry. Today's 31st, as you can see. So I'm gonna review more operating systems coming forward. So bye, peace.